Hey guys, welcome back to Darth Snoogan's Toy Reviews. I've got another Dollar Tree find for you. If you saw the Masters of the Universe video, you know that Dollar Tree has a lot of IPs that they've got cheap toys for. So, like the Masters of the Universe, we also have Transformers. Now these are different though. These are actually keychains, not just little figurines you'd set on a shelf or put on top of a cake. So we got Bumblebee, we have Optimus Prime, of course, we have Megatron, and we got good old Soundwave. Alright, so as you can see on the back of the package, we've got some cross-sell art for the 4 that are available. Looks like these are made by Monogram, but they also have the Hasbro logo on them, just like how the He-Man ones have the Mattel logo. So let's open these up and get a closer look. We'll start with Soundwave. All right, that's pretty cool. Very accurate coloring. We'll get our Megatron out. Oh yeah, that's cool. Looks like he is not going to stand very well, so we'll lean him on his buddy Soundwave. We got our Optimus Prime. And let's go ahead and get a closer look at him. Very good representation of the G1 series. And we got good old Bumblebee. So let's move him over here in center view. Yeah, I guess it's just the way that Megatron, his legs are, it doesn't allow him to stand up. But they're keychains. They're not really supposed to stand. They're supposed to just dangle on stuff. Alright, so for $1.25 you can have Transformers keychains. Let's measure them. Roughly 2.5, 2 3/4 for Bumblebee. Optimus Prime is at 2 3/4. Same with Megatron. He's actually probably a little closer to 3. And then our Soundwave is going to be at that 2 3/4 as well. I mean, these are a steal. I mean, you could have a lot of fun with these. Now, full disclosure, I have a second set of these that I took the keychains off, and I just have them on display as little figurines. They actually look pretty cool against, if you have the little die-cast Jada Toys versions of the vehicle modes. These little figures look cool next to them. That's going to do it for this one. As always, appreciate you watching. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Have a great day. And I almost forgot. I found my first variant. Unpainted Optimus Prime. As you can see, his helmet isn't blue, and they didn't paint his grill. So I thought that was interesting. I think I'll keep that one in a package a little longer. Thanks, guys.